Mlete ntebe yini wekitiibwa mafu baleetere wekitiibwa mafu baneetere entebe endala bannyabo abakulembeze b'eiwanga lino eya Uganda abasoga bonabona mu Busoga abakulu b'ebika mikwano gyaife abendeza Busoga obulungi olunaku olwaleero ndikwenda okwebaza mwana mwana abali wano ayenga nkali kwebaza mu ngane nandule minisita ow'obuwangwa mu Busoga owekitiibwa Mafumo ageme atwaze ensonga dendi kujokolako olwaleero era nandule muto wange owekitiibwa Kirya atwala ebya finance bya Busoga n'owekitiibwa Mukembo atwala ebyabavubuka owekitiibwa Yudaya ndikwenda okubebaza ab'amawulire mwena mwena abali wano olwaleero lunaku lukulu ino mu Busoga mungane ndeete ndi waisa nwino okuleeta obukwenda bwa Kyabazinga gabulana dyopo wokuna olwaleero lunaku lukulu mu Busoga mu nsi yona yona n'eri mikwano gyaife abenda Busoga ndikwenda mu butongole okwandulira ensi yona yona ni Busoga nti Busoga efunye Inhebantu. Her Royal Highness owa Busoga, Her Royal Highness Mutes Jovia. Her Royal Highness Mutes Jovia family ye emutuwaire officially olunaku olwaleero essaawa nga 7 owekitiibwa Mafumo akulembeire emikolo gino era emikolo gy'obuwangwa egikolebwa mu maka gikoleibwa. Ndikwenda okwebaza family etuzaalira Inhebantu wa Busoga, twayenda okwebaza family etuzaalira Isebantu wa Busoga olw'amakula okuluyirira kwa Busoga olwaleero baba Isebantu akwizeemu. Ekijja okwiraku tujja kuba n'emikolo egy'obuwangwa, emikolo egyo egyaniriza Inhebantu wa Busoga. Inhebantu wa Busoga afuuka Inhebantu wa Busoga nga amaze okumulaga olukiiko lwa Busoga n'abalangira ba Busoga. Mu meeting eyo mwendidda okufulumya obuvo yasoma ki yakola ki. Mu meeting eno ndabalaga kifaanani mbawe naliini ebindi ndabirekera ekigemaku. Ku lw'Abasoga bonabona ndikwenda okukobera Obusoga n'ensi yona yona nti baba Kyabazinga asiimi ng'enaku d'omwezi 18 omwezi ogw'11 omwaka 2023 aiddaje Bugembe mu Kasidro okuloopa obufumbo obutukuvu eri Katonda. Mu buwanga bwa Busoga obufumbo obutukuvu butandise eri leero kuba abazaire batuwaire Inhebantu wa Busoga. Ku lw'abantu ba Busoga bonabona n'abo batwetwoloire ni ku lwange ni family yange ni ba minisita banange betukola nabo emyaka gino gyona ndikwenda okuyozaayoza Kyabazinga wa Busoga ni Inhebantu wa Busoga olunaku luno olukulu mbulamu bwaibwe ate nga lwakwidukirwanga mu Busoga ni family dona olw'okwikirizaganya mu culture ya Busoga nti Inhebantu wa Busoga awerebwa Busoga eno yona yona. Kino kiraga empisa da Kyabazinga waife. Era da kyalaga empisa da Inhebantu waife. Era nze ndi musanufu basebo ne banyabo. Nti ekibaire kibulanga mu Busoga. Buti kiweirewo. Nikwenda okwebaza nikise kwebaza tiimu egemye ekintu kino okumala emyaka mingi. Ekigemye obulungi n'ekikuuma nituikirizibwa okwibandira ku lunaku olutuufu nga tubise emitendera emituufu era nga tuli kubita ku mikutu emituufu. Nenda okusaba Abasoga mwena n'Abannayuganda mu nsi yona yona okutayise bantu n'Inhebantu musaala daimwe era ndikwetulisaba Katonda atukuze obufumbo bwaibwe abo abaana bangi era atuwe ababanayira mu bigere byabo abali banga virewo. Kyabazinga Gavana Leopo wokuna afunvule. Buti Inhebantu the Kyabazinga of Busoga, His Majesty William Wilberforce Kadumbula IV. It is a momentous day for the people of Busoga all over the world as I officially announce that we have gotten Her Royal Highness the Inhebantu of Busoga following the just concluded traditional ceremonies earlier in the day that were successfully held. With the traditional ceremonies now out of the way, arrangements are underway for the Inhebantu to present his dear wife to the Christ Cathedral Bugembe on Saturday, the 18th of November, for the celebration of holy matrimony, and will also unveil the Inhebantu to the people of Busoga and the world at large. On behalf of the people of Busoga, the surrounding areas, and on my own behalf, I wish to congratulate the Inhebantu, the Kyabazinga of Busoga, and the Inhebantu upon this great and memorable decision of having a family which is synonymous with our Kisoga culture. This is a true reflection of how cultured our king and the queen are. As a person, just like other Basoga who love the kingdom, I am satisfied that Busoga's missing link has finally been formed. And I can confirm with certainty that more blessings await us ahead. I also thank the parents on both sides for the ministry of raising the children. I also want to appreciate the team that worked behind the scenes to deliver us the required, including the entourage that I moved with for this blessed. May all of you be blessed tenfold. I appeal to Busoga all over the world to keep both the Inhebantu and the Inhebantu in your daily prayers for God, Allah, to bless this new union that Busoga has been longing for, and above all, to continue superintending over our institution. Kyabazinga Gavana Leopo wokuna afunvule. Now, at this time,